Hello and welcome to Acharya News. Myself Feba Saji from the Department of Pharmacy. Here are the latest highlights from across our campuses, featuring key academic activities, workshops, and industrial exposure, student achievements that continue to enrich learning beyond the classroom. Students from Acharya School of Design experienced an immersive Goa study trip exploring art, culture, architecture, photography, and environmental observation through workshops and site visits aligned with their design curriculum. At Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies, the BBA department successfully conducted a management and cultural fest featuring multiple student activities and enthusiastic participation. In another global exposure initiative, students from Acharya School of Design visited Dubai, gaining insights into contemporary architecture, sustainable design practices, and large-scale urban developments. At Acharya Polytechnic, students participated in a digital well-being and a social media workshop and a chip-to-cloud value-added program, strengthening both digital awareness and technical skills in IoT and hardware systems. An industrial visit on motion capture and photogrammetry was also organized by Acharya School of Design, giving animation students hands-on exposure to VFX and AVGC technologies. In achievements, Acharya Institute of Technology students secured recognition in academics, sports, and leadership, including VTU ranks, Toastmasters awards, and a runners-up finish in the Inter-College Football Tournament. The institute also received the Diamond Plus distinction in India's Finest B School Rankings 2026, marking a significant milestone in academic excellence. Thank you for watching Acharya News. Stay tuned for more updates and achievements from Acharya.